What is up, guys? Before we get into this video, I just want to say this is a short video that I just edited real quick introducing a new car. You guys will see it. I don't know if it's in the title or whatever, but if it is, you guys already know what car it is. And so let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like the new car, and I hope you guys like Alex G35. His IG was on the thing if you want to go follow him. Yeah guys, so if you enjoyed, just like, comment, subscribe, and share with others, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.